I'm so bored.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. No night guard's been coming.
There hasn't been one in a month.
It's no fun.
No. So bored. Like, what are we supposed to do?
Oh. Any ideas, Ballora?
Switch chairs.
What?
What? Oh.
Chairs.
You're so weird.
Yeah.
It was an idea.
I've been having this TNT in my pockets for a long time. I wanted to blow the night guard up. I even had this sword and this knife.
I did too.
How did you even get all that stuff?
Magic?
The worst part is we don't even have a baby here. I know you miss your best friend.
Foxy's my best friend, right?
Sure. I don't know. What can we do? Bread.
Throw it at someone.
Yummy. We can't even eat.
We can't eat.
It's called pass the toast, except I can't throw it, and now it's stuck in the inventory.
And they closed the garbage chute, so we can't even throw anything in it. Ugh.
I see a white dot.
White dot? Foxy, you're going insane!
Don't look.
I
You don't see that?
want to look.
Are you blind?
Freddy, why is there a white dot down there?
Okay.
I thought you were blind.
Come on, guys. Just maybe we can look in something in my room.
Your room is pink.
It is. Yeah, it's beautiful.
I wonder why.
What's wrong with my room?
My eyes hurt.
I seriously wonder why. How is your room? I seriously wonder why. How is your room just pink?
My room could be as
Who
pink as
built
you
this
want.
for you?
No, I'm just asking, how did you get all this pink stuff? Where did you get all this pink stuff?
I don't remember. I just woke up one day and it was here.
That explains it.
I feel like we all were.
Freddy, don't talk about the past. Like brain hurts when we talk about that kind of stuff.
The past? What happened in the past? Never mind.
Butter.
We ever
Why do
gonna
you like
figure out
butter
why
so
half
much?
rooms are, barricaded? Maybe we can,
What about my room?
what if we go in
Your
a
room is boring as always.
No, it's
Yeah.
beautiful.
All it has is a bunch of seats, and you didn't even arrange these good. Like, they're... Oh,
It has a piano.
That's a sign!
That's a sign. That's a sign saying piano,
It's a
Ballora.
piano. It's a piano. Watch. I can even play it. Watch.
What?
See? I played the piano on my
I'm
piano.
speechless.
I know, it was so good.
Okay.
No, it was awful.
It really was.
What? You try playing something better.
It's a
You
sign.
try.
It's a sign.
It's a piano.
It's
Wait,
a
where
sign.
do those sounds come from?
The piano.
Okay, you know what, Freddy, is your room better?
Uh,
Do we have anything interesting in there? I still want to figure out why things are blocked off. Maybe we could adventure. Maybe that's what we could do.
Blow the place up.
We are
Okay,
not
so,
blowing the place up.
welcome to my room tour. I don't remember putting this in there. But I have a TV, so.
I also have a TV.
Why do you guys get TVs and not me?
I
get a
wouldn't
stinking
open the
piano.
chest if I were you. There's some things that you don't need to see.
Okay.
Ballora! Get out of it!
Respect
Okay.
Freddy's privacy.
There's nothing for you to see in there. I don't know why I have these
Never
beds.
mind.
I have,
Ooh, I have a
yeah,
gift.
but why do you have beds?
I don't know.
We sleep
Who are
in
you
the
sleeping with?
Anyway.
What? It
This
was
is
a
amazing
double.
chair.
It was a 2-person bed. Somebody fill up that space.
I counted 2 people to you. Okay.
Okay then.
Freddy, you're not that fat. That was insulting, Foxy.
Oh dear, you call me fat.
I'm just
Foxy.
being nice. I said I'm not. You're not that.
Foxy put some sugar this morning. But Foxy found some sugar this morning. Don't believe him.
We don't even eat.
Who said you couldn't have snorted it? Sounds like you also snorted some.
I'm just recovering from a. I don't know.
I'm stuck here with idiots.
I'm
Yes,
not an
you are.
idiot.
Yes, you are. Deal with it.
What do we do? It's only 3 of us, and baby's not here. And I don't know. I don't know.
Aren't you supposed to have like a hand puppet?
Yeah, where did that go?
Oh, that thing? I don't know where it went. So I'm just wearing a glove to cover it.
You don't know where the thing on your hand went.
I think
Nope.
you went to Nebraska.
What the hell is in Nebraska?
You don't know your biography. Wow.
You mean geography? Never mind.
You mean
Geography, whatever it's called. Geometry.
geography?
Geometry is math.
Geography.
It's
Geography.
geography.
Can someone tell me what this is?
No.
It looks
let
like
me-
you could put boats in it.
I'm going to smell the water, and I'm going to explain to you what it smells like.
Why?
It smells like tuna microscopic silicone
Oh, guys.
volcanoconiosis.
We have a hole in our wall.
Oh, someone can
That
fix
was never
that.
there. That's never there.
Yeah, that was never there.
The water smells like tuna
Yeah,
microscopic.
I can't.
Stop.
There.
The water smells like tuna microscopic silicone volcanoconiosis.
I'm just
What does that mean?
leave.
It's a disease.
How do you know what that disease smell like?
Because I can smell colors.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, Ballora. What's this?
Yeah.
What's it for?
You both over here. I don't know what it's for, to be honest.
You don't know? Oh my goodness, that's gonna
I
kill.
feel like we all have rooms that we don't even know what it's for.
I don't know, but this cabinet. And
Foxy,
there
is this a
might-
problem with the wall?
I know, I hate it so much.
Can we have renovators fix that?
Yeah,
Later.
I'll,
Don't worry. This
We
butter
can't
will
even
fix
get
it.
any security guards here. How are we gonna get any renovators?
Magic.
Hey, Foxy.
I don't know.
Foxy. Never mind, I'm not going to break the fourth wall and tell the future.
Anyway. Well, plus, if we bring them, we're just gonna eat them. You know?
After they fix the walls.
Fix the wall with butter.
It's not gonna work, Ballora.
Foxy, why can't they fix the walls? And then, ooh, this room exists.
Yeah, does anyone else know what we use this room for?
Meetings. Birthday parties.
I think it was a birthday party room.
Probably.
We can make it a hunting room.
No, this should
You know
obviously be
how the
the
humans
hunting
like
room.
don't the humans like sweets and stuff like that? So we could just put the sweets on the table and we just hunt them down and we could install a vent somewhere. You know?
Okay.
Or we could fill this room to the brim with acid.
No. How would we even get a hold on acid?
Oh no, Nebraska? What are you thinking?
Anyway.
I'm tired.
How are you? Do we need to power down?
I don't know.
I don't know. What are you doing, Ballora?
Being chill like Freddy, I want to see what he tastes like.
Did you hear that?
You heard that noise too?
This entire room is messed up. I'm sorry. What in the world is wrong?
What happened here?
Anyway.
Let's go.
Find out what that noise was.
Yeah. Wait, before you click off this video. Hi, Liv here. I am very sorry this took so long. I have completely rewritten this whole thing, and a lot of stuff has happened. I only have like 5 more seconds because I know your attention span, but I am planning on uploading as much as I can. I really appreciate you guys sticking with me. Thank you for 100 and I don't even know. Thank you for all the subscribers I've gotten recently. Thank you so much. Okay, see ya. I hope you enjoyed.